cheat or some type of liar because I don't use pliers. Well, I'm not giving them back, so there. Take these greasy snail tracks. As the day begins, there's no need to assume. When I walk in the room, the baddest is me. 22 hog leg figures on the best Frosties, a couple red pegs. I'll use this Monroe instead. It's a bully move I use to send their asses to bed. Play haze and heat and boiled oil make my bases run sweet now. When I hit the circuit, they wanna call me a cheat or some type of liar because I don't use pliers. Well, I'm not giving them back, so there. Take these greasy snail tracks. We use bolts, never the screws under the base. We compact, using everything from gum glue, even candle wax. Hidden in blind sight so you cannot see the most diabolical cheap move you'll ever see. You say I'm slick because my team's painted 3 coats thick. I use lead-based paint to add to the mix. When coach says we don't play like that old school pyramid scheme with the stack. He asked if I heard about the house of hits. He gave me some advice with one little tip. Learn to be a sniper, saying no to passing sticks. Play haze and heat and boiled oil make my bases run sweet now. When I hit the circuit, they wanna call me a cheat or some type of liar because I don't use pliers. Well, I'm not giving them back, even leaving snail tracks. The day is done, and I got beat down. People in the room started to call me a clown, but in a joking way. They tried to beg me to stay, teaching me electric football, their way they play away. I must have to say I'm thankful for those that play and teach, but there's something about that blazing heat. Play haze and heat